Girl in pink there, the t-shirt, man, she's too good. Man, I'm sure she's got a bit of Cook Island blood in her. She has to with that move. All right, nice one, guys. Okay, let's have Davinia and your partner. Oh yes. Now this is a very brave guy because he put his hand up. Yeah. Thank you so much, my friend. 17. Where are you from? Derrimut. Oh, that's it down around the corner somewhere. That's all good, that's all good. We're excited you're from Derrimut. I'm from Brunswick. Okay, are we ready for this, my friend? Get ready to knock those knees together, yeah? Over to you, drummers. Oh, give them a hand. Oh, skill. Women, where are you from? Vietnam. Wow. And where are you from? Nepal. Wow, that's a long way from here. Wow. What are you doing here? Nah, joke. Well, you know what? We like to welcome you here on this beautiful day, and we are going to share with you our beautiful culture all the way from the Cook Islands. Now, all you have to do is just put your legs together, hands on your hips, and move those hips right and left. Yes? They've got it. Okay, drummers, let's have a drum beat. They just know how to follow the beat. Well done. Okay, let's have Kennedy. Kennedy and your partner. Partners. Okay. All right, ladies. I can see that this one's already excited. Where are you from, my beautiful lady? What's with this Derrimut? Everyone from. It's all good. She's from Derrimut. And where are you from? England. Woohoo! Come on, guys, give me a round of applause. She's from England. Hello. Well done. Welcome to Australia, yeah? She's been here 20 years. It doesn't matter. Welcome again. All right, now you are going to do the Cook Island dancing. Now, have you seen a coconut before? You've seen a coconut? Is there a coconut tree in England? Okay, what about you, my friend? Coconut, yeah. Today we are going to grind the coconut, yeah? Oh, wow, this one knows how to grind the coconut. Yes, okay, that's all good. All right, now I want you holding hands with Kennedy. Oh, well, he wants it different, yeah. Okay. Now, just don't try this at home, okay? Don't grind the coconut at home like this. All right, when I say 1 drum beat to the left, I want you to sway your hips to the left. And when I say 1 drum beat to the right, sway your hips to the right. And when I say grind the coconut, Kennedy, grind the coconut. Wow. England, not bad. You're going with the beat. And my dear friend, you're going up all that beat. So slow it down. That's it. Okay. Let's have a drum roll. 1 drum beat to the left. 1 drum beat to the right. And grind the coconut. Wow, not bad. Are you enjoying this, ladies and gentlemen? Do you want to grind the coconut? All right, let's have a drum roll. 1 drum beat to the left, 1 drum beat to the right, and grind the coconut. Ladies and gentlemen, especially when you are grinding the coconut, you do go crazy. Yep. All right, now let's have Patricia and partners. Okay. We've got 2 beautiful little girls here, and we also got the birthday boy. All right. So birthday boy, thank you for coming today to support the festival and everyone else, and to support Sounds of Polynesia. For that, you are going to share with us. I know you've been watching us, and you're going to share with everybody that you can do the cookie dance, yeah? All right, boys, are we ready for a slow beat for our birthday boy and our little young? Came up to take part in our Around the World, and especially these 2 beautiful girls down here. Thank you to your parents for allowing you to come up to learn the Cook Island dancing. All right, wow, that means no one ate. Are you having great food out there?
Yes!